Precision is our standard. It starts at our factory in Germany, where attention to every detail, precise measurements, and quality verification is performed at every stage. Our craftsmen have over 100 years of expertise at the factory, and the same level of precision continues throughout the technical fitting in your home. Our installers are experienced and specially trained technicians. The preparation process starts outside of your home. Upon entering, we take great care to ensure that your floors are protected, dust is kept to a minimum, and the designated work area is set up. We employ cutting-edge technology in our installation process. We verify each measurement down to the millimeter and double-check for accuracy using laser leveling systems and old-world techniques. Cabinetry, appliances, and accessories are installed with care and precision. As we near completion, a walkthrough checklist is verified and confirmed between the installer and the customer, and another final inspection is performed. Adjustments and fine-tuning are made to ensure that every moving part works flawlessly, and every edge is impeccably fitted. But our customers are the ones who perform the final inspection. Now that the work is complete, the final step in the installation process is performed, the area is cleaned, and the customer is shown how to care for their product. At Eggersmann, we take great pride in our product and installation process, and we take the same pride in your home.